It is not too long ago. Your only options to ship things back to Jamaica was with FedEx, UPS, DHL, or to pack a barrel. But then you seen our videos and you discovered a third option. But then you're a little bit skeptic, and I cannot blame you. Check out our Instagram or our Facebook and see us deliver tens of thousands of packages to families from customers just like you. Our customers are Jamaicans like you living all around the world. Whether you're in London, Canada, the US, the Cayman Islands, Bermuda, and you want to get things back home, that's what we do. And you're probably living in places like New York, South Florida, or even in London, where you have access to barrel service. But what happens when you have quantity that's below a full barrel? How do you get that back home? It could be very expensive. This is where we excel. When you have quantities that's less than a barrel, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located. You could send items back home with 2 clicks on your smartphone. Whether it's one or multiple items, electronics, appliance, TV, fridge, stove, small packages, big packages, we do them all. Click on the link and create a free shipping account today. It is free, and I will give you an opportunity to try our service risk-free. Send something back home with Islandwide Express today and join the ranks of tens of thousands of happy Jamaicans living around the world.